I ran a company. I had a small business, and I didn't like the tools that were out there. You know, we were looking at CRMs. I was looking to find CRMs, and I didn't like the tools. They were expensive. They were difficult. They were clunky. Right? They just weren't a great fit. So I said, you know what? I'm going to build my own, and I did, and learned a lot of lessons with it. Right? A lot of lessons about scaling. A lot of lessons about how to build something. But here was the big thing. These hard-coded business logic things, they usually don't end up helping. As soon as your business logic changes, right? As soon as your way of business changes, and it's going to change over time, right? For any of you who do business, the way you do business now will probably be different in 10 years or 20 years, right? Or it should be at least. If it's not, you're probably screwing up. But, you know, what I found was the things that moved the needle were the ability to automate, to be able to take one person and make them more productive, to be able to take a person and make them more organized so they didn't forget anything, to be able to, really move the needle was the ability to mass communicate. That we would do a lot of work with clients, and we would segment our database down to a couple hundred people, and we would be able to target the exact right person, at the right time via that mechanism. So we would have, a new transaction that we want to do, and we would say, hey, we need this, and then we would, immediately be able to reach out to the people that were a good fit for that role, right? We were immediately able to hit those people. With just a couple of clicks. And that was what led to this idea. That was the genesis of it, right? That not to have a system that's good for sending newsletters, but to have a system that can be used for transactions, where when the time is right, you can reach out to the exact audience that you need. You can get the exact people that you want, and you can click one button and have it go to those folks.